Most American kids think of summer vacation as a break from school, a time for beaches, barbecues, and boredom. But this time off wasn't designed for fun. It was a solution to a problem, and that problem changed over time. Welcome to Zukkun Knows. 1. The farm myth. Many believe summer vacation began so children could help with farm work, but this isn't quite true. In the 1800s, rural schools often operated during spring and fall, not summer or winter. Summer was actually too hot to work long hours on farms, especially in the South. 2. City kids got summers. Off first, in 19th century cities like New York and Boston, schools ran nearly all year, but attendance was optional. Wealthy families left for the countryside during hot months. Poor kids stayed, but classrooms became unbearably hot and overcrowded. To solve this, city schools began formalizing a summer break. 3. Heat and health before air conditioning. Urban classrooms were sweltering in the summer. Teachers and doctors worried about brain fatigue from heat. Educators feared hot, stuffy rooms would harm both learning and health. Summer break became a practical necessity in many urban areas. 4. Standardization. In the late 1800s, as education systems expanded, school calendars needed consistency. By 1900, most American schools had adopted a 9-month schedule with a summer break, not for farming, but to standardize public education across the country. 5. The vacation industry. By the 20th century, travel and tourism boomed. Hotels, theme parks, and summer camps all built their business models around school vacations. Summer break became profitable, not just for families, but for entire industries. 6. The teacher benefit. Let's be honest, teachers needed a break too. With no air conditioning and few labor rights, teaching was exhausting in summer. A long break helped reduce burnout and kept more people in the profession. Some districts even used summer as unpaid furlough. 7. Civil rights in summer. During the civil rights movement, education reformers argued that long summer breaks hurt disadvantaged students. The summer slide and loss of learning during vacation became a hot topic. Year-round schooling was tested in many areas but failed to gain widespread popularity. 8. Global comparison. Many countries don't follow the U.S. model. South Korea, for instance, has shorter breaks and longer school years. In some Scandinavian nations, summer break is balanced by generous family leave policies and flexible school calendars. America's system is unique and controversial. 9. Modern challenges. Today, parents struggle with childcare during long breaks. Educational inequality grows over the summer, especially among low-income families. Some districts now offer voluntary summer school to fight learning loss. The debate continues. Is this system still working? 10. What now? Calls for year-round school are growing, especially as test scores lag and attention spans shrink. But tradition is hard to break. Summer vacation remains a beloved American custom, even if its roots are more practical than playful. So the next time you're at the beach, just remember, your summer break exists thanks to heat, health fears, and history. Subscribe for more knowledge that's hotter than July.